Step into a world where rising electricity costs meet a powerful solution. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm unveiling the top 5 best 24-volt solar panels that can transform your energy independence. Stay till the end to gain real value and grab your perfect pick through links in description. At number 5 is BougeRV Arch Pro. In a stormy roadside blackout where most solar setups give up, one panel quietly keeps producing power. The BougeRV Arch Pro changes that expectation entirely. Built for travelers who depend on reliable energy, it directly tackles the biggest frustration seen in many systems within the top 5 best 24-volt solar panels category. Unstable output under shade or curved surfaces. Its N-type 16BB cells push up to 25% conversion efficiency, while upgraded bypass diode technology keeps energy flowing even when part of the panel is blocked. Compared to older flexible panels that fade under pressure, this one feels more controlled and consistent. The ETFE surface resists scratches, sand, and long-term wear, making it suitable for harsh travel conditions. At only 7.94 lbs and 2.5 mm thin, installation becomes surprisingly easy, especially on RV roofs or curved vehicles. Still, it demands careful voltage matching with power stations, which can limit plug-and-play use. Against traditional rigid panels, it sacrifices a bit of simplicity for unmatched flexibility and placement freedom in real-world practical use today. At number 4 is Callsun 430-watt. A sudden blackout in a busy household can feel like everything just stops. Fridge warm, devices silent, plans paused. That's the exact pain the Callsun 430-watt solar panel tries to erase in the world of top 5 best 24-volt solar panels. It isn't just about high wattage, it's about keeping energy flowing when most panels struggle. Built with anti-shading 4-zone circuitry, it reduces those frustrating drops caused by leaves, dust, or partial clouds. In real life, that means fewer interruptions and more usable power throughout the day. Compared to older 400-watt class panels, it holds voltage more steadily, especially during mixed weather. The bifacial design also grabs reflected light from roofs or ground surfaces, squeezing extra energy most users never expect. Of course, it's still a large, rigid module, so rooftop spacing and inverter matching must be planned carefully. But once installed properly, it delivers a level of stability that makes everyday off-grid or backup power feel far more dependable than standard alternatives, especially during unpredictable weather swings that normally kill output fast. On number 3 is Rich Solar 24-volt. When a storm knocks out power for hours, most people realize too late how unprepared their system really is. This is where the Rich Solar 24-volt panel quietly proves its worth. Positioned among discussions of the top 5 best 24-volt solar panels, it focuses on what matters most in real life: steady energy when conditions are far from perfect. Many users struggle with panels that drop output during heat, haze, or early mornings, but its advanced N-type cell design helps maintain stable performance across changing light. Compared to cheaper poly panels, it feels more consistent, especially in off-grid cabins or RV setups where reliability matters daily. The rugged tempered glass and anodized aluminum frame give it a solid long-term feel, even in wind or snow. Installation is also simplified with pre-drilled mounting points, saving frustration during setup. Still, it's not the lightest panel, and proper system matching is essential. Against mid-range competitors, it leans toward durability and long service life, offering energy that feels dependable when everything else around it becomes uncertain and unstable. At number 2 is Renogy 200-watt. A quiet morning on the road can turn stressful when batteries drain faster than expected. This is where the Renogy 200-watt solar panel changes the experience for off-grid users. In the space of top 5 best 24-volt solar panels, it represents a practical balance between portability, efficiency, and real-world reliability. Many people struggle with panels that overheat or lose output in cloudy skies, but its monocrystalline N-type design keeps energy flow more stable even in less than perfect. Sunlight. Compared to lower-cost 200-watt alternatives, it delivers more consistent charging and better build quality, especially for RV and cabin setups. The compact frame also makes installation easier on limited roof space, solving a common frustration for van lifers. However, it's not the lightest foldable option, and pairing it with the right controller is important for best results. Still, the 24-volt compatibility adds flexibility for system upgrades. Against budget panels, it feels more dependable in long trips where energy consistency becomes essential for daily comfort and peace on the road. Now moving to the last one is BougeRV Bifacial. A quiet afternoon on an RV roof can suddenly feel like wasted potential, sunlight everywhere, yet limited energy reaching your batteries. The BougeRV Bifacial panel changes that equation in the top 5 best 24-volt solar panels category by capturing light that most panels simply ignore. Its transparent rear layer absorbs reflected sunlight from ground, water, or bright surfaces, turning indirect light into real output. For many off-grid users, the biggest frustration is inconsistent charging during shade shifts or cloudy moments. This panel responds with N-type 16BB cell technology, pushing higher efficiency and reducing internal loss even when conditions aren't perfect. Compared to standard mono-faced 24-volt panels, it feels more active throughout the day instead of relying only on direct sun. However, performance depends on surroundings, so reflective environments give the best results. Against traditional rigid panels, it delivers an extra layer of energy harvesting that feels almost like unlocking hidden power from the same sunlight, making long trips and remote setups noticeably more dependable. The winner is BougeRV Bifacial stands out because it captures sunlight from both front and back, turning reflections into extra energy that other panels simply miss. In real use, it gives stronger daily output than BougeRV Arch Pro, Callsun 430W, Rich Solar 24-volt, and Renogy 200W. It performs better in open spaces and off-grid setups where light bounces around. Among the top 5 best 24-volt solar panels, it offers the best balance of efficiency, consistency, and real-world energy gain for long-term use. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best 24-volt solar panels. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.